Good morning. So we're gonna go see a dollar movie. Oh, she didn't shut the door. The hip action, gotta shut the door. What movie are we seeing? We didn't even look.
It might be Smallfoot.
You ready, Rafael?
Yeah.
All right. Wait, you tired?
No.
Today's the first day he took his allergy medicine. We're gonna see if it does him better.
It's an important job.
Come here, everybody. So I thought that was a really deep movie. I thought it was very good. Yeah. Ooh, black ceiling.
Yeah, there you
felt walls. Where are you at, children?
Look how the lights are made. They had to cut a hole in the ceiling.
Hot light. Woo! Oh, you're being weird?
Yeah, hold on to it.
Okay, good. I like it. Be weird.
Look at mommy funny.
Over here. We have weird
That's
children.
good.
Let me see the picture.
Oh my. It's not good.
No?
No.
Looks good to me. Okay, Hadar and I both agree that it was a very deep movie. It's Littlefoot.
Smallfoot.
Smallfoot?
Turn the AC on for
I thought it was, yeah, it is on. Ugh. We were sitting out in the middle of the sun all day. We did get a little shade partially. Not really, the back is like full on sun. We are gonna go return a camera. As you know, a couple days ago, you have seen a video where we were testing out two cameras. The Sony, your shoe, the Sony RX100 5A, which is a little upgrade from my old one, the 5 that totally broke, internally caught on fire or something. It overheated and would not turn back on. Hopefully I will get that fixed in the future. I needed a new vlog camera anyway because it was a couple years old and you have to replace vlog cameras after a couple years.
3 years old.
Because it was 3 years old. We have turned it on literally probably hundreds of thousands of times. So they're not meant to do that, you know what I mean?
If you go to big
It's a camera.
If you go to big people on YouTube, you can see some of them go through 5 cameras in their 3 years or whatever.
Yeah, so we take really, like, we are very careful with our cameras. We teach our kids how to pick up the camera, or if they want to bring it to us so they can get something filmed, like they want to film their, you know, their castle or whatever, and they go get it and they bring it to us and they're like, please film. The Sony camera has been especially good for me, like if I drop it, Rafael has picked it up and accidentally fell with it and it went flying down the tile hallway and he's okay. The camera is a different story. It's got mirrors and stuff in it that breaks. So it was fine. From every fall, it has been fine. It has taken chunks of the glass and been fine. I love Sony cameras. And I was really disappointed that the 6 got rid of an ND filter, which made all of us look really bad in the sun. Like, what was happening? So Hadar went through probably a month of looking at settings, different settings, and finally the result of that is this camera right here. And hopefully it's good. Let me know. We probably don't have comments on YouTube. That is not from us turning them off. We want comments. We want you to comment. If you want to comment, leave a comment. I'll have usually a picture or a video on our community tab here on YouTube. Facebook, we're always on Facebook. We're actually updating our Facebook very, very soon. We're getting all of our videos on there right now. Instagram is the best place if you want to like have a conversation. That's the best place to go because it's, even though I don't use a cell phone a lot of the time, it is the best place for me to go to see your messages, and we do read all of your comments. So your nose is still itchy?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you have a cold still?
Not really, because you put that nose thing in the cold pill you don't like it.
It's an allergy pill.
Yeah,
And he got saline in his nose, 1 squirt, or 2 squirts in each. I don't know if that's correct or if I'm supposed to put 1 squirt in each, but it's just saline. And he did really well with it, didn't you? So how are you feeling?
a little better. I only coughed 1 time after it.
So you only coughed 1 time today?
Yes.
But your nose is still itchy?
Yes.
Okay.
Same way.
Do you think you do that even when it doesn't itch? You just do that for fun?
What?
Like to calm yourself down, you do that?
No, it's just, it feels like it itches a lot.
Okay, so it is itchy.
Yeah.
All right, we'll wait a couple more days, see if this itchy stops.
Boogie board there too.
Oh yeah, and palm trees.
Wow, what is that?
Rain,
Rain, rain,
go away, come again another day.
So how long has it been raining?
I don't count minutes or seconds, but I do in my head, but I didn't today.
Do you notice that Rudy's, she just likes to lie down?
Yeah, she loves to dig holes to lie down her nose in it.
Yeah. It's been rainstorming for maybe 3 or 4 hours, and you see how bad it is, right? I mean, this is like after a storm, and Rudy just goes right up there and plays there. So I looked outside, and I'm like, Rudy, what are you doing? And then, on top of that, that's when I saw the plant. And that plant needs to be planted, right?
Yeah.
Right, so that needs to be planted, and I did see that Mommy bought something for it. A planter, right?
Over there.
Do you want to plant it?
Yes, but I can't grab the roots because there's ants in it, so how will we do it? Grab the roots. I do not want to pull the root, you know, the whole thing out with the dirt and put it in there. We need a lot of soil to do
The
that.
last plant that I gave you didn't even want to touch it because it's dirty.
Yeah.
Do you want me to plant it and you can help me out?
Yes.
Okay then.
Can I do the soil? I'm going to do the wheel first.
You're gonna do it, or Rafael's gonna do it?
Me.
You love doing it?
I want to do it.
All right.
You're going to
Did you notice how the floor got really dirty? We don't want it any more dirty. The storm just brought everything over here.
That means I gotta do it. She's gonna spill it everywhere.
Well,
I know
first, how about we start by doing the planter?
that. The planter, you.
Okay.
Let's stop doing this, okay, Daddy? Actually, I thought the soil was first.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Get garbage in it. Ooh. You think it's gonna rain again?
Yeah.
Here, let's put this here and work on it. Hey, Abigail. So here's some soil.
Soil. Ready? Yeah. I'm gonna do the soil. I'm gonna do it.
Heavy.
It has a hole in it, Daddy.
Yeah, what for?
I don't know. Maybe to put the plant in.
Hey, Rudy. So I think Kitty is gonna be naughty to get in it. I'm not sure if we want it inside or not. What do you guys think?
Rudy will tear it up more.
Ooh, I'm making a mess myself.
And don't make it a mess again.
That's right. So we got some good soil here. I don't see any bugs and critters.
Oh,
Nothing serious.
sorry, Daddy.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. And
I'm gonna try to get this.
let's see if we can break this up a little bit. It's very.
Me too? Me too. I won't get in the dirt. I'm wiping on
That's not for you, is it, Rudy? Just hang out with me and learn how to do the big one. And then when there's little ones, you can do it by yourself.
Why? Abigail would do the littlest ones we got. She likes you, Daddy.
She likes me?
She
What?
likes you.
No way. What makes you think that?
She likes you, though.
She does?
She does.
Wow. All right, kids. So every time we put a lot of soil in here, you have to spread it out, right?
Yeah.
And this might actually be too much soil.
What do you mean?
Like, there's gonna be too much. But we'll see here in a minute. You see what I'm doing? I'm scooping it sideways, Rafael. I might ask you to help me do that as well, okay?
Yes. Just ask me right now if you need to.
Yeah, we are. Making nice walls. All right, let's see if it'll fit. It might not fit. It's a big one.
Yep. It's really big.
All right.
But it does fit.
It does kind of fit, but I think you need to get some more out of there. Go ahead and, oh, wow.
I can get a lot at once.
All of the stuff that we're dropping, we're gonna have to pick it up and put it here.
Don't make a big mess again,
okay.
Daddy.
It's okay, Abigail.
You can't make a big mess.
Get
You don't
more.
want to make a big mess.
Mommy doesn't allow you to make a big mess?
You.
That's right.
You don't allow us to make a mess, and we don't allow you to make a mess. We don't allow each other to make a mess. same way. It needs more soil on the sides. Let's do this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It needs soil on the sides.
Okay, this looks a little better.
Except this is the deepest.
Good soil.
Look at it.
What is it?
I think it's fun.
Spider.
What?
Could be.
Really stepped on me.
I'm sure it's an accident, Abigail.
Was it accident?
Abigail, she's a doggy and she loves you. She does not mean you any bad things, okay?
She just
good.
stepped on me. She didn't leave. Daddy,
What now?
she didn't leave.
I can't really understand you. Eating leaves, Fuya. You got food.
She likes eating grass.
Well, she has food. That's what she should be eating, right?
Yeah. She just spoke. Yeah. She spoke.
Well, Abigail, you said it yourself. It was an accident.
What are you doing, Daddy?
Fixing it up to look nice.
Hey, there was a hole in it this whole time. I think that's how we dropped it. Are you helping me?
Yes, Raphael's helping me. And we don't want to compact it.
What does that mean?
We don't want to compact it too much. We don't want to make it very tight. This is so the roots can grow really nicely.
No, Rudy. This is dirt. You don't eat dirt. No. I said don't. Help you cuddle out. What? Help you cuddle out. We already helped each other out. We didn't. This can grow in now. Abigail, there's a leaf there it can't grow. It can grow. Only if there's a seed there it can grow. If you see a little plant, it won't grow. It won't grow back. It won't grow. Got me dirty, okay? Let me see. Because it's my net.
Thank you, Raphael.
I put it in the plant.
Wow, it's good help. Here, where did you learn that?
Me?
Yeah,
Learn what?
to help out like that. Uh-oh, it's gonna rain again.
I learned.
Guess where the doggy is? Oh, she's making her own digging spot. Great, awesome. We're gonna have to teach Rudy not to dig. Is that right?
Yes, but she can't dig there. Put her
Well,
nose in.
no, I don't want her to dig in our yard because, as you well know, one little hole and she never stops digging. Being a puppy and a lab, or a lab mix anyway, she's just out of this world, hyperactive with energy. And that's good for us here with her every day. She's also with us. She's happy like that. Cool.
Rudy is a plant destroyer. She eats plants. She doesn't really drink plants or soil for plants.
Okay, so let's try to put the plant over there and water it, and then we'll be done.
Can I water it?
Absolutely. Raphael will. And I think I'm gonna get a tie with a bamboo stick. I've seen everyone do it. I've never done it myself because it's kind of slanty and not in the nicest
Can I
way.
do it right now?
Absolutely, Raphael. So go slow on the sides as well as the center. Very slow. Distribute the water evenly. That means water for all the spaces. Go ahead. It's okay. We're all wet and dirty. It's fine.
But we'll get inside like that.
Good. Closer to the roots in the middle. And on the other side as well, please.
No. Sit down.
And that should be plenty of water. And she might not want to sit down, Abigail. It's dirty over there. What do you think, Rudy? What do you think? Who's calling you? Who's calling?
Me.
Okay, Raphael, is that all the water?
Yes.
All right. It's not the most even, but we'll get it there. Okay, Rudy, that's the camera. That's not for you. This has been sitting here for about a week.
Good boy. Good girl. 30 days?
No, about a week. That's 7 days.
She's wet.
Yeah, she likes to play in the rain. Anyhow, Abigail and Raphael, you did a good job, and thank you for helping. Thank you, Rudy, for getting us all dirty. See you soon. Mommy looks like a rainbow.
I gotta get out of here to stop looking at it.
Raymond.
stay here with your mama and don't look at the light. So, did you buy cat food for Kitty?
Uh-huh.
What kind is it?
Barbecue rice and cat food.
I think she likes it. Maybe she likes you too. Look above you.
She doesn't like because she's angry.
Do you think she's angry?
Yeah.
What is she doing?
She's not smelling good.
What is she smiling like?
Bad.
Okay, so we're gonna do our first. It's going to be our first video shooting in the kitchen with our professionally unprofessionalized kitchen. So what do you think about that?
Good.
Oh yeah, great.
Do you think that's good, Gugu?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like that idea?
Around
Yeah, I could.
so I can see it. Not. That's still around.
You want this around?
Yeah.
It's amazing how much light there is in the house, but when you add a rig to it, it's just mommy's heaven.
Kitty,
It is possible to achieve this kind of thing.
you gonna stand there and hold up?
No. If you're wondering what I'm holding, it's a light.
So I'm not looking over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna build a rig for it probably, so we can put this
She didn't.
long light inside of the house.
Alright, let's do it. Abigail and I are making the first pizza. It's gonna be on FoolyCooked. It's a keto pizza.
Oh my goodness! Did she just say that, Abigail? Did she just say pizza?
Yeah.
Are you making pizza? Really?
And then Rafael's gonna make the second pizza.
Are you making pizza?
What kind of pizza is it?
A fat pizza.
Oh snap!
Oh, snap.
What kind of pizza is it?
Fat pizza.
Fathead.
So it's called Fathead, and that's what? Ketogenic?
Keto.
Yeah. What's in it? What kind of thing is that?
Mozzarella and cream cheese.
That's.
Alright, you're gonna have to pause it because it's getting there.
Okay. How do you feel about making your first pizza ever?
Good.
Is that all?
I like it flat.
Uh-huh. You think mommy's gonna make it flat? Let's see about it.
Okay.
Think everyone enjoyed it?
This is how it turned out. It's very delicious.
This
Is
the
enjoying
best
it.
pizza I've ever tasted.
Well, there you go.
And
Crust.
the video for this recipe is gonna be up on FoolyCooked, so go ahead and check it out.
Yep.
It's gonna be posted. It's really amazing how good this is. I mean, I like pizza. I wouldn't lie to you. I think I have pizza standards, and this is definitely good. Material can make it, and it has no wheat in it, and I still say it's good. It must be good.
This is the best pizza I've ever made for myself.
Abigail and Rafael, you both made really tasty pizzas.
Yes.
Good job. And thank you, Mommy, for helping us out
Yep, thanks, Mommy.
and teaching us how to cook it.
And
You're welcome.
also, you did the dough. Thanks for the dough. Thanks for doing the pepperoni. Not really the pepperoni, putting the,
Well, you put it on.
No,
You
not
made
putting
the
it
whole
on.
pizza, really.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
you did the dough.
Oh, you like that?
Yeah.
All right.
tastes yuck.
We're going to finish up and go to sleep. So go ahead and say goodnight to the camera.
Is
Both
that
of you
it?
kids.
Good night.
Night-night.
Good night. Let me
Thank you
see.
Hi there.
The different box and then the safe box. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
It's real.
You don't say. And I didn't know it is.
Marshmallows are egg white.
Did.